Okay, so sometimes in Teams you need to access files all the time, and it takes a bit of time to navigate through to where you need to get to. This quick tip video shows you how you can create a shortcut to those folders that is accessible straight from your OneDrive. So maybe I'm always going, I need to go to my biology team, I need to go to A level, I need to go to files, just to get to this file structure. Well, actually what I can do is I can create a shortcut straight to this section here in my own OneDrive, and then I can access it straight away from my own OneDrive. It's really simple to do. Get to the files area you want, it could be a folder, any folder, and click on the Open in SharePoint button. Once it opens it in SharePoint, you'll see the button at the top that says Add Shortcut to OneDrive. Click that. It says added one shortcut to the My Files section in OneDrive. So if I go into OneDrive online, or even actually on my own computer here, so here it is, you see it says A level, we can see it's a linked folder. So if I click on that, I can navigate through those folders and files just as if they were on my own computer, but it's actually linking directly to that folder that's stored within that team.